Emakhosini bantwana bethonga, nawo umbuzo in the comment section. Sawubona gogo, ngicela ukubuza, ngiphuphe ngisekhaya lapho ngizalwa khona, kuphuma isiphethu endlini, amanzi echamuka phezulu ehla ngebonda. Right, so this is a very interesting dream, right? So this dream can mean two things. Number one, it can mean ulaka lwabantu abadala. Right, shukuthi khona ebanixwayisa ngakho ukuthi no, asikho happy, asijabulanga, right? Number two, it can also mean ukuthi kukhona okusekungena endlini that was not even supposed ukuthi kungena endlini, kuthola ukuthi sengena emanzi endlini, kuthola ukuthi you are married and ubaba sekhaya unezancinza bo, une-side chick manisho ngolwimi lesilungu. And number three, which is a bonus that I will give you, right? It means ukuthi umoya womdawo most of the time amaphupho akhona uzobona amanzi angena endlini, shukuthi bayakulandelela, bafuna i-attention yakho, shukuthi manje awusenasikhathi, fanele uphume uyolanda umdawo wakho, uyoparula emanzini njengoba sebakulanda endlini. Emakhosini, hope you're good, and if you have any questions please comment below. Lesedi khanyaca makunda uwe.